Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and for today's video, here is the introduction for my brand new Skillshare class where we are drawing Puss in Boots using ballpoint pen only. But before we get started, consider hitting that like button, ring the bell, leaving a comment. So let's get to it. And don't forget, I have a variety of other classes on Skillshare, everything from digital painting, coloring, sketching with pen only, realistic drawings with pencil, and how to shade. And also, don't forget that I have a class referral link in the description below where you will get 1 month for free. Hello everyone. My name is Ivan Florentino Ramirez, and I just dropped a brand new Skillshare class where we are drawing Puss in Boots using ballpoint pen only. So I'm a traditional artist that uses programs like Procreate to do digital design, painting, also using graphite pencil for realistic portraits, acrylic, oil, and watercolor painting. And if you ever wanted to learn through the world of pop culture, this is a class for you because we are going to be learning how to draw Puss in Boots in a realistic way. We're going to be going all in on the detail when it comes to fur, shadows, tones, highlights, and all the details that comes with that character. And for the materials, all you need are three. We need a small sketchbook, some black ballpoint pens, and some kind of a white marker. I happen to have a Jelly Roll white marker, but you can also use some white paint or gouache with a fine tip brush. But that's only needed if we need to make some corrections or to sharpen things up at the very end. And this is part of my ongoing series where we learn through the world of pop culture, and we do it in a way that you don't have to commit in a large drawing. So doing sketches is the perfect way to brush up on your skills and also learn different techniques that you can apply to your own artwork. So are you ready to get started? Grab all your materials and let's begin.